What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today we are doing a 5-minute upper body workout. So what you need to start off with is just really easy shoulder taps. So this workout is designed to work your upper body, so chest, elbows, arms, and it's a killer workout. I did it. Well, I did it at the start. It hurt my arms. It really killed them. So I recommend doing this to work out build your muscles for your upper body. So what you need to do, you need to like and subscribe. This really supports my channel out, as not really a lot of you like and subscribe and you're watching this video, but please do it as I need support. So next, he's going to be doing a up-down plank. So this is another really easy, simple workout, but it is a killer exercise, just like the last one. It's really simple. All you need to do is start off with a low plank and then just go up. It's really simple. It works your abs as well as working your elbows, arms, pecs, and etc. I recommend to do this as it's really good. Next, you can do Superman. As you can see here, you can do it with just your arms, or you can do it with arms and legs. So if you're going to use your left arm to raise, then you need to use your right leg. If you're going to use your right arm, you use your left leg. And it's really simple. All you need to do is get into a high plank position, lift your arm up, right front hold, and then if you want to use your legs, use your legs as well. And then next you're going to just push-ups, simple push-ups. You can do any push-up you want. You can do narrow, wide push-ups. You can't do push-ups on your knees because we're going to do that later in the workout. So you push up on your feet. You can do wide, narrow, archer, clap, whatever you choose. And this is going to work your shoulders, pecs, arms. It's going to work all of it. And this is obviously push-ups is one of the main well-known exercises for working really good for your pectoral muscles or your chest, whichever one you call it. And I recommend to do this to build muscle. So next you're going to do push-ups on your knees. I'm doing push-ups on my knees because I can see from my face that my elbows are hurting a lot. Not my elbows, my shoulders are hurting a lot. I keep on getting confused. So I'm going on my knees. So you can do wide, narrow, normal push-ups on your knees. You can also clap if you want to. You can do any other stuff. And next is going to be a plank. Plank works your pecs as well as working all the other parts of upper body. It works your elbows, shoulders, and you're going to hold this plank for 30 seconds. All the exercises in this exercise of workout of 30 seconds. You can do it longer, you can do it less time, but I'm just doing it for 30 seconds. You can do it for any time as you want. So you're going to get up and then you go to do side plank. It's exactly the same, but instead of being facing forward, you are tilted to the side, and this will work your core, your obliques, and then the shoulder, what you're resting on. And then is also very good for the upper body as well. So I recommend to do this there's only like a couple of oblique targeting exercises you can do, and this is one. And then you're going to start off on your left or your right, and then the next exercise you're going to switch. And this is exactly the same as the last one. Works your obliques, and then works your shoulders and upper body. And then I don't know why you can hear this from rubbing noise. I'm rubbing my obliques, even though you can't see me rubbing my obliques, because this is a voiceover. So you're going to do this exercise for 30 seconds. You're going to do the last exercise for 30 seconds. And the next exercise you're going to do some plank twist. And this is exactly like the Superman planks, but you're not using your legs. You're just going to use your arms, and you're going to twist onto the top. So you're going to, let's say if you're going your right arm, you're going to, it's basically like a mix between Superman planks and side planks. You're going to twist onto one hand, you're going to point up to the sky, look at the sky, and then go back down and do the other side. And this you're going to do 30 seconds, and you're just going to keep on alternating until you really just feel the burn, and you can't do any more. But obviously you're doing it for 30 seconds, so you would probably not feel the burn in that time. And then you're going to keep doing it, as you can see I'm doing, and this is really simple. Next, you're going to do plank twists with a push-up in between every twist. And you're going to do this for 30 seconds. This is the more difficult version. It's basically just a mix between plank twists and push-ups. It's more difficult, obviously, because you have to do both exercises. So, and I recommend that. It's a killer. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.